Alright, let me get into the frame. Am I in frame? Let me flip this up. I can see myself. Yeah, I can see myself. Okay, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Man, I do want to say first and foremost, first, the audio is probably terrible because it's very echoey in this hallway. Yeah, so I guess I can't hide it anymore. It's official. We are moving out of this apartment. It is 100% official. We're moving out of this apartment actually very, very soon. I tried to hide it as much as I could in my previous videos by not really showing inside of the apartment, but yeah, I can't really hide it anymore. Yeah, so it's been a crazy couple of weeks. Honestly, it's been a crazy couple of months. I will explain more once we're in the new place and everything. Like once we get in there, I'm gonna obviously like show you guys and do the video on it. So I will show you guys everything. Like don't worry, all that's coming. Yeah, it's been a crazy couple of weeks. I've been trying to make a couple more videos, but everything's just kind of been like held up just because of what's been going on. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that last week went to Vegas for a work trip. Was gonna do some filming there, but I didn't really get much filming done. I did take the Velociren, which was really nice. Got the chance to take that out for a nice drive, and like honestly, driving the desert from LA to Vegas it's a great drive. And it was fun actually to do it inside like something that wasn't just a Jeep, so that was really cool. But yeah, I just want to say, I think even before we moved here, my channel, I felt like it was in a good place, like really kind of just moving, going into the right direction. And I thought, you know, moving out here though, I was going to connect with so many more car people, so many more like YouTubers, so many more like other people who are interested in the same thing that I was interested in. And I thought that was really going to help propel my channel to like the next level. I will say it didn't necessarily happen in that way. I think my channel kind of got away from what made my channel like what it was kind of, but just by doing, you know, install videos, doing car builds and doing more tutorial based stuff. Don't get me wrong, I've done a lot more actually going out and like using the vehicles and like doing stuff. Like I've gone to the, you know, Angels Crest Highway so many times with the Velociren. Even when I had the Focus RS, went there so many times, doing so many more off-roading videos, which is great, and I honestly love it. But I think the other thing my channel has been missing is like the actual install and like the installing parts and like doing just the more like actually doing work to the vehicles and like showing that aspect of it too, and then doing, you know, modifications and then using the vehicle for what it's meant to be used for. So my channel has kind of gotten away from that, and I'm really hoping like with this is going to help get me back into like, okay, cool, we're going to be doing much more stuff to the vehicle, like actually doing installs, actually doing some modifications, and then hopefully doing another build. Like I missed doing that. Like I had how many different builds before in the past? Like I literally had the Grand Cherokee, the Miata, had the Mustang for a little bit. Like I had all these, you know, different things and did stuff to the vehicles, and it was great and it was fun, and I loved doing that type of stuff. And I just really coming here in this living situation couldn't really do that. So I think that definitely hurt my channel a bit, but I will say like it did open up my eyes to doing, experimenting with different type of content. I'm still going to be doing some videos around like living inside LA, like what's it like being here, but I kind of figured like I'm going to put some of those type of videos on the other channel, which is going to be the amusement park / Disney channel, which is going to be me and Angelia. That's the channel that we do when we do all of the stuff like going to the amusement parks and everything like that. So like those are going to be those videos. Just I'm going to keep those separate. I still will do like videos around like living inside LA and like what's it like, kind of like general on this channel, but I'm going to be getting back into finally doing much more car installs, car like just related stuff. But I'm excited about that. It's been a long process, and yeah, it hasn't been easy. It's been like a lot of blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this. So yeah, I'm like really excited to move into a new chapter and do something a little bit different. And I'm really excited to show you guys too. Once we get everything like set, I'm like really excited because like I have stuff planned and I can't wait to like do a whole bunch of more stuff. But yeah, I don't know. I haven't like uploaded in a while, and I figured I would actually do a minute to like inform you guys what's been going on. Yeah, it's official. We are moving. I do want to say I did do another video. Like I had like a whole other vlog like edited and everything like that. I just didn't release it because it was absolute trash. And also going into like from this moment on, any video I do, I want to make sure I actually like really like the video and that's actually like really good quality. I am no longer going to be putting up like just filler content on the channel just to like have like an upload. I want to make sure it like looks good and it is a, you know, well produced video. So that's my goal going forward. I'm really excited again though to be doing more content, actually stepping up my game again by doing, you know, better content and like not putting up just like shovelware, like actually like putting my, you know, heart and like soul back into it. Yeah, it's gonna be a crazy like December, end of December. So be on the lookout for uploads that are gonna be coming. Going to be updating you guys on all this type of stuff, what's been going on, and I'm really excited for it. So like that, if you guys want to see my last off-roading video, you can go check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.